Everyone, my name is Atesh Kumar. I am a student of basic level at Paragon Academy, Badin. Today's the topic of my presentation is the difference between village life and city life. So there are many facilities in city life like that gas, electricity, hospitals, schools, and markets, transport facilities. And the village life is basic facilities and uh, city life peoples are connected with jobs and the village peoples are farming and airing for kettles. So the village peoples are breathing fresh air, and the city peoples are much to pollution, sounds, and water, etc. So the village peoples are eat fresh food and he is healthy, and the city peoples are eat meats, vegetables, and the city peoples are fashionable, smart and fast, and the village peoples are humble, hospitable, smart, hardworking. This is the difference of city life and village life. Thank you.